welcome back to Kevin's Hobby Time. So my next project here is going to be the group build for the glory days of drag racing. And this is my entry, which is going to be a multi-kit entry starting with the Comet Cyclone. All right, this is a Moebius kit, and this is going to be for unboxing the kit, okay? Which obviously I've already taken off the plastic and getting ready to go through the whole thing. Here we go. So again, this is the Moebius models version. Move that out of the way. Back side. Just in case you haven't seen the box. That's not the price I paid for it because I got it off the internet, off of eBay. Don't remember what price I paid. And nothing on the bottom. All right. Let's go through the unboxing. So again, this is the 1965 AFX Mercury Comet Cyclone. I'm not doing the Dino Don Nicholson's. I'm doing my own custom version with my own custom paint job. Okay, so here we got the body with the hood. I should have taken these out of the plastic probably. This is the bad scissors. Yeah. Okay. Chassis. Got the molded in gas tank, part of the suspension system. Front's molded in. Good seats. It's got texturing on it. Don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, there's the texturing. Tunnel has the rear seat delete because it is the racing version where they strip down just about everything they can out of it. Okay. Yeah, it's going to need washed off. It's got a little bit of scuffing on it. Got the Comet on the back. Nice details. Got the holes where you can put the handle in. Key holes got a raise on it. It's got the rear emblem. Nice. Okay. Looks good. Moebius kits are known for being really well done. Love this hood. That will sit right in there. Let's see what we got. Ah, that's the rear seat delete. Nice. One set. I think those are wheel backers. This should be, I believe, front steering arm. Not sure on the piece. And I don't know every detail on the piece. It's the first time actually going through this box. That's roll cage. See, it's got some nice molded in lines. So nice. Exhaust. There you go. Oh yeah, inner fender wells, radiator mount, rear firewall, some detailing put in there. That's going to be part of the shocks. Yeah, mounts for the front suspension. Those are motor mounts. Yeah, okay. You get 4 tires. 2 skinnies for the front, 2 fats for the 2 slicks for the rear. There, no brand on the back. I'm not finding a brand on the front. Okay. Looks like engine components, which should be the special 427 overhead cam that they built for this car. I just find it interesting how that blade is bent. Dual carb setup. I think that's water pump housing. This may be carb spacers. No, that might be part of the mount. Oil pan. Okay. Headers of pipes. Transmission, which is a separate piece. There we go, the other parts of the headers. And the header mount. There is a kind of a special way to do it, and there's the carburetors. Most likely not going to use those. I bought some aftermarket carburetors that I plan on using, which I'm looking at either one of these by Fireball Model Works, or the 4160. Yeah, probably. I think I'm using the 4160s. Okay, chrome. Which I'm going to dechrome the chrome because I'm not a fan of the plastic chrome like this. Probably use purple power. Take that chrome off. Oh, that's the rearview mirror. Won't be going in. They didn't put it on for drag racing. Saving weight. Nice molded front. I do have some aftermarket parts I plan on using. I'll go over those when I go into the build. There's your chrome wheels. Craig RSS's, love those things. Had a pair in real life. Windshield wipers, I'm not going to be putting those on. Get rid of the extra weight. Valve covers, missing the 427 on Ford on it. I might be doing some modifications on those. That's the air cleaner. Not sure. Glass. Glass looks good. Triangle windows. I think those are rear lights, yep, and headlights. Nice and clear. Yeah, more wheel backs, steering wheel, rear axle housing. That's the stone shield. Suspension. Yep, nice. Now yeah, 3 pedals. Looks good. Inner door panels, minimal. There's the dash. Dash looks molded pretty well. It's pretty nice. Okay. And just so you can see them, although I'm not using these decals. Comes with a nice set for the Dyno Don Nicholson version. I will be doing my own custom decals. Get around to those times, I'll talk about those because I went ahead and did my own in using Photoshop in my computer. Here's the instructions. It is officially a Ford licensed product. Recommended for interior, how to paint up the interior. How did I paint the car, I should say. Not a ton of assembly. Start with the engine. Wheels and tires, chassis. Nice. Interior. Body. Final assembly. Nice. Okay. No much fanfare on there, but I love these Comet Cyclones. These things are nice. All right. Okay, guys, that's it for the unboxing, so stay tuned. Next, I'm going to start the build. So, Mercury Comet Cyclone 1965 AFX.